Hey guys, we received this Speederlash 64 gigs 2-pack micro SD card. So it's a camera plus TF card with adapter and up to 90 mega per second speed or the read speed with the 4K and other supports. So here like this comes in this nice little box. So one is the adapter. So this is a 64 gig micro SD card. It can be used with your cameras, laptop or mobile. This comes as an adapter, so you can lock this adapter as well. And there's a separate 64 gig cards without the adapter. So two cards and one adapter. So let me just put this in my laptop. So here, if I'm putting this one, go straight, no issue with this click and fitting. So this easily recognized it. And when I click, it's easy to format and then use. So this is pretty straightforward. It does on its own. Format is pretty straight. It's just fast speed as I can feel from it. So I'm just putting it in a card reader for the micro SD card adapter or the SD card adapter for this. So this one works really fitting well with this adapter and then with this card reader as well. So I'm putting both actually SD card as well as micro SD card so that it will read both simultaneously to check the speed. So you can see that it will recognize both separately, and I can use the format, copy, paste, delete, and any other function from this directly from this card reader. So no issue with the card and the functioning of the card. So it's really nice with the high speed cards.